Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to another session of Olymp Trade. A very good evening guys. I hope you guys are doing great, and this side Kunal Kapoor. I'm your financial analyst, financial expert. Today we are going to talk about a new strategy. I hope you guys are doing great, and coincidentally today the name of the strategy and the day is Friday, so we are going to talk about that strategy. It is one of my favorite strategy, and it's very aggressive. Like, you can open multiple trades one by one, and it's one of my favorites as well. So before we proceed, I just want to confirm if everything is working fine, if my screen is visible, and if my audio is clear. So guys, comment section is already open for you guys, so if you will find any difficulties, any queries during this session, please feel free to write everything, and I will try to take all the comments to help you in your trading journey. And in the meantime, everybody is joining, so we will just I'll just give you a bit information about like what is currently going into the market. As you must be aware that so much data floated into the market, like recently today in the morning the Bank of Japan, they revised their interest rate, so there was some fluctuation because of that. And prior to that, Fed interest rate, there was an update on that, so many things changed. And prior to that, on last Friday, NFP data was there, and in between there was some information about the CPI data also. So many things changed into the market, so many fluctuations were there, so many opportunities were there. I hope you guys try to have a benefit of them. And guys, please share this link of this session to with your dear ones, so as many as people can join this session, so we can help as many as people we can. So we will just hardly wait for 2-3 more minutes, and then we will proceed to the strategy which we were talking about. So the name of the strategy is Friday. And guys, before I'll proceed, I just want to give you a small piece of information that, as you must be aware, that this is financial market which is a bit risky. Like, there is a risk of partial and fully loss. So always try to take your trades with some precautions. Always be careful while trading, and all the trades which I am going to take during this session, everything is based on my experience. And there is one more information. Even though this session is live, but still there is a time gap or telecast difference which lies between 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that if I am opening a trade at 6:34 IST, that might be visible to you at 6:34.30 second or 6:35. So do not try to copy trading. There is a possibility that the position which I am going to open, that might be visible to you after some time, and it can lead to some negative results. So try to avoid that thing. And without wasting any more time, we will proceed to the strategy which we are going to talk about. The screen which is visible to you guys, that is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. There is a possibility that there might be some options will be available at some another places, so do not need to worry about that. All the features are available to application users, whether you are even though you are using this application in your mobile app as well. So the location might be different, but all the buttons are available. So I will just start the strategy. So, as you can see that there is a tower, there are 3 buttons, the last one that is known as the technical analysis, I will click on this one. Those who are using this on their mobile, so they will be having this button somewhere at this side, just on the top of the application. Your balance is available, your account balance is visible, just below that the name of the asset is there, and just next to the right the technical analysis button is there. So, once we will click on this one, we can see that there is a pop-up. There are 5 buttons. I will click on the 4th one. I will just scroll a bit, and here we go. We can see that the Friday strategy is there. So, this thing is showing a couple of more information, like this green lines, these are stating that it's an advanced level strategy. Then FTT and Forex, it is showing that this strategy can be used for fixed time trading and Forex both. Once I will click on this strategy, I can see that there is a small video available. Just suppose if you are going to revise anything or you skip anything, so you can watch these videos for your reference. This is a small introduction about the strategy, like how we are going to work with that. And here we can see that we are going to use 3 indicators. All indicators are same, like these are going to be with different frequencies, but the indicator is same, which is EMA. Once I will click on the enable strategy, I can see that the strategy is there. But those who are not on the advanced level, or like those, my friend, those who are on starter level, so no need to worry about that one. I will also tell you guys that how you can apply it manually, but try to improve your level on the platform, so you will be able to get some another benefits also. And take a note of that, like the frequency which we are going to use in this strategy is with the EMA of 5, 13 and 55. This is basically only for the starter level, because for advanced level and expert level this strategy is already available. So, once they will click on, all the settings will be applied automatically, but for the starter level they need to make some amendments. So, how they can apply it manually, we will again click on this technical, we will just write EMA. The reason why I was asking you to take a note of that, or like take a screenshot of that, or note these frequencies, because when we are applying, by default frequency is 20, but we need the frequency of 5, 13 and 55. So, once you will click on this one, you can just manually change it manually, or you can use this plus or minus, and you can change the colors from there. So, I hope you guys are getting my points, like how you can apply this strategy manually also, and how you can apply this strategy automatically. Now, how this strategy works, I will talk about that one. It's a very simple strategy. You need to focus only on one EMA, which is EMA 5, this purple line. We can see that there are 3 lines, purple, yellow and blue. So, we are going to focus on this purple line, and all the signals are getting formed basis on that. Guys, make sure if you find any difficulty, any confusion, write that in the comment section. Comment section is completely open for you. Also write me that how was your last week, how the things are going on, whether you made some profits, or even though if you made some negative results. Guys, please mention in the comment section. I will come to the comment section also. I will read all the comments, and I will try to help you with all your concerns. So, comment section is completely open for you guys, and I am here for you guys to help you. So, take benefit of this opportunity. So, I hope everything is going fine. So, I will tell you that how this strategy works. So, as I have mentioned that we are going to focus on this purple line. So, whenever this purple line is intersecting either EMA 13 or 55, that is going to make a signal that in a specific direction there is a possibility that market will move forward. Now, how it works, I will just give you some examples also with the help of some back testing. I will guide you that how this strategy works. So, if we will zoom a little bit in here. So, see, as we can see that here EMA 5 intersect EMA 13, the yellow line, in the downward direction. at the same time we can see that there is a trend in the market which is also going to the downward direction. So if we would have opened a trade over here, we can see that a positive result. The recommended time frame for this strategy, like for a trade, is 2 to 4 candles. Like 2 to 4 candles means if your chart time frame is 1 minute, then your trade time should be 2, 3 or 4 minutes. But on the other hand, if your chart time frame is 5 minutes, then you can multiply the candles with the same. So like if 5-minute chart time frame is there, so trade time should be 10, 15 or 20 minutes and go on. I'll show you a few more examples. So here we can see again EMA 5 intersect EMA 13 in an upward direction at this point. If we would have opened a trade at this stage, so we can see that 2-3 minute and even 4 minute trade was supposed to go in a positive side. I'll just show you a couple of more assets for more clarity. Guys, if you will find any difficulties, please feel free to write. I am just about to move to the comment section, then we will proceed further after this back testing. So see, here we can see that there was an intersection of EMA 5 and EMA 55 at this level. And guys, as per my observation, as I felt, as per my experience, I have felt that whenever there is a intersection of 5 EMA with both of them, EMA 13 and EMA 55, that signal I found that is a bit more strong. So try to practice that thing on your demo account. If you will find the same results, then you can follow the same, which I mean to say that I'll just give you an example for the same. So let's see. Yeah, so here we can see that at this level EMA 5 intersect 55, and the same during the same candle EMA 5 intersect the 13 also, and we can see that there was a strong trend. Okay. Let's try one more asset, and in the meantime if I'll find any signal, I will try to open a couple of trades also. Okay, so there are a couple of signals which were getting formed. So now we will try to do some action. We will try to make a couple of trade. Let's see how the things goes. Guys, always remember one thing, like there is no such strategies which will promise you 100% sure result. So always try to take a couple of trades with the help of your risk management, money management, by keeping it notice that even though if you are not able to get 100% results, still you should be able to make a couple of profits. So risk management and money management are those two things, those who are going to help you in your long journey, those who are going to help you in a longer picture. So they will help you to make some profits even though you are making some negative results. I will try to explain it in the in a couple of minutes also, but before proceeding that, I will try to open 1 or 2 trades, then I will proceed to the comment section. So let me check if any of the signal is there. Okay, so there is a signal which is about to come, so we will wait for that. And always guys, remember one thing, that if a signal is already like we are supposed to enter into the market, but if we are a bit late, or if a signal is about to get formed, do not try to take a trade, because there is a possibility that there is like we will think that the signal will be formed after 10 second or 20 second, but there is a possibility of market reversal. So once the signal is formed, once everything is confirmed, you have got the confirmation that yes, the specific conditions have met, then take a trade. Because see, we can take a current example. There was a possibility that EMA 5 was supposed to intersect 13, but again we can see that there is a market reversal. So let's see if any signal is there, then Okay, so here we can see there is a signal. Let's open a downward trade, and here we I can see that we found two confirmation, one from the EMA 13 and the second one from the EMA 55. So both were confirmed. Let's see how market goes, because US market is about to open, so there is a possibility that there we will find couple of fluctuation. So let's try for that. Again there is one signal which is recently formed. We are a little late, but no worries. Let's, and guys, as you can see that I am trying to open back to back trades, but you should not do the same. You should avoid this thing. Once the result of the last trade is already there, then try to open the next trade, because you might need to apply martingale, you might need to apply your risk management, money management, you might need to make some amendments in the invested amount. So always try to wait for the result of your last trade. Once after closing that specific trade, open the next one, because there are couple of signals are getting formed. So if you have missed one, nothing to worry about, there are so many in the pipeline. So till the time our two trades are getting executed, I will move to the comment section, and I will also try to get some more trades. Okay, so the first comment we got from LVR Gaming Canada. Hi sir, hello sir. Tony ji so also mentioned that sound is good. Thank you so much for the confirmation, sir. Motivational video. Guru also said hello, hello sir. Siva Kumar, hello. Tony PS, yeah, sir, we are already kicked off, so we are already in the action. Vishishta also said hello, hello sir. I'm so sorry, LVR Gaming sir, if you mentioned that my voice is not audible, like I need to speak a bit loud, so I will try to make it. Shiva Kumarji also saying that no sound. Sir, I have tried, I have checked on my device also, everything is working fine. I request you to please just increase the volume of your device, or just try to log in like to start the video. Okay, so there is a hello from Hafizamdan Wahidji. Faisal Ali, hello. Riz Master also said hello, hello sir. Vishishta mentioned I have lost 2000 rupees this afternoon. I'm so sorry to hear, Vishishta. Please mention me that which strategy you have used, and what was the time frame you were using on the trade, and like what was your invested amount, like whether you have taken a single trade for 2000 or you have taken multiple trades and you found some fluctuation. Please clarify, please. I need some guidance to achieve success. Of course, Vishishta, like we are keep on taking these sessions, like we are conducting these sessions on different platforms, like we are also conducting some webinars via Zoom application also. I will try to give you some information about that also in the session, so you can, if you are eligible for that one, try to get in touch with us and we will help you with your trading journey. And okay, so Arhan Khalid is saying Olymp Trade doesn't open on Google. No sir, like it's working fine. I have been using it in Chrome also, and I am using the same search engine Google, that is working fine. Try to make some changes in your settings, like there might be possibility that you have make some settings and you have locked some platform, or because of some reason that is not working. So try to log in Chrome browser on the same search engine, but by using some another device. Sahil Kumarji saying hi sir, hello. Arman is asking to please speak in Hindi. I'm so sorry sir, like this is a global channel, so we here all the communication is in English, but if you wish to have some session in Hindi, then we also have one more channel with the name of Olymp Trade India. We are conducting some webinars over there also, and those webinars are conducted on Tuesday and Thursday. So if you wish to have some session in Hindi, please feel free to follow that channel and we will meet you there. So Mihan Nihal said hi, hello sir. RV is also asking for the same. She needs some Hindi. So guys, this information for all my viewer, like those who want some session in Hindi, that we have multiple channels. So one of our channel is in Hindi with the name of Olymp Trade India. We are conducting webinars over there also. Tuesday the timing is 7 to 8, and on Thursday the timing is 5 to 6. So please feel free to join us over there also, and we have multiple videos over there as well, which are like currently available, so you can watch them. You will, I am sure that you will be finding enough information over there, and we are discussing the same strategies on that channel also. So Rahul ji is saying good evening, very good evening, sir. Jahan Jai ji is mentioning that I believe he is facing some issues with the deposit. I'm so sorry, sir. You are facing some difficulties with your deposit. I request you to please drop an email to support, or like you can write to the support team via chat also. They will help you for sure. Or if possible, just do me a favor. Just drop your trader ID, only trader ID. Please focus on that. Do not share any personal information in the chat. Drop your trader ID. Once the session is over, I will look into that and I will raise a request to help you with your deposit. I am so sorry that you have faced such issues. Wandaji is saying every time I lose in Forex, is there any indicator will help? Mr. Wanda, there are a couple of indicators you can use in Forex. The same strategy which we are using here, so you can use the same in Forex also, and in the meantime there are some another like RSI, or you can use stochastic also. We will try to cover those indicators in future session. And apart from that, if you want to like if you are more active on your Forex side, you can do one thing, like you can also keep an eye on the trading news. Like there is a website which I am used to follow, like there are two websites in fact, like one is Yahoo Finance and the second one is investing.com. So in investing.com, like once you open that website, you will find a button with the name of economic calendar. Try to open that one, and there will you will find a couple of information which is about to release into the market and which have already released into the market, and on that basis you can try to get some information that how market is reacting in some certain patterns when some data is there, and that will help you to make a couple of positive profitable trades in Forex. I will try to give you a couple of examples of that also. Okay, Dinesh Shinde is saying that there is some issues with my voice. Let me just try to increase. Guys, please confirm like if it is audible now, like if it everything is clear, because I have made it maximum from my end. Okay, so Danesh ATR is trying to say something. He's like crying. So Danesh, please tell me like what's the concern which you are facing. Like let me know like what is the reason like why you are not feeling satisfied. And okay, so I will take a couple of comments later on. Let's try to take a couple of trades. Okay, and I hope guys you you have liked this new feature on our platform, so you can open multiple assets. So once you just click on this one, you can select all the assets which you want to open in this tab. So let's open up for trade. We are a little late, but no worries. Let's see how our last two trades went. So one trade was positive. Let's see the second trade. What was the issue there? So as we can see that there was a market reversal. If we would have opened a trade at this level, still the 4-minute trade was supposed to be more successful. Okay, so we have two trades in the pipeline. Let's make some changes in our strategy. Let's change the time frame also. We have made some negative results, so we need to make some recoveries. So I will use a RFTs. So guys, those who are new to the platform, so I will give you a small tour of our platform as well, so just for a better understanding. So on extreme top left we can see that there is a logo of our platform. Just below that there is a button with the name of trades. Once I'll click on that one, I can see that my complete trade history. If I'll click on this one, I can see the success rate. Like today my success rate is 52% out of, like I have won 33 trades, like those were successful. If I'll click on Forex or stocks, I can see that all the trades. I have opened a couple of trades during the NFP news, so I managed to make some profits. So in the market section we can see all the trading conditions, signals which we want to buy or which we have already bought, everything is going to be visible here. In event section you can check all the events like marathon or any league is going on, so you that will be visible here. In the help section guys, this is one of the useful for like existing new traders, for everyone. The first button, that is for support. So if you need any help with your deposit, withdrawal, verification, all these concerns, these are going to be taken care by the support team, so you can click on this one and get in touch with them. Help center, trading tutorial and education, that is basically for the new traders. Here you will find all the basic information like how you can make a deposit, how you can withdraw, how these trading signals are working, strategies, chart patterns, how charts are getting formed, how these graphs are working, everything is visible available here. So try to explore this one as much as possible so you can have a better understanding about the platform. I'll close this one. So here we can see that the name of the asset, like this is a new feature, you can open multiple assets in the single window. Here we can see the name of all the indicators which we have applied on our current in our current strategy. So we can see that EMA is there. This is the main window where all the graphs are getting formed, all the codes are visible, and on this basis we are taking some trades. This is a tower where we can find three buttons. The first one is for signals, the second one is for chart type, and the third one, the major we are using, which is technical analysis. This is a button to change the time frame. Like once I'll click on this one, this is to change the time frame of the chart. So once I'll click, I can change the time. If I want to zoom in, zoom out, I can use plus minus, or I can use the scroll in, scroll out also. This is a button, like this is a place where I can see my balance in my account. Once I'll click on that one, all the accounts are going to be visible here. Just next to that, payment button is there, which is used to make all deposit, withdrawal, transfer, internet transfer transactions. All the history is available there. We can see that there is a signal about to get formed, even though like there was a signal here as well, but we have missed it, so we will try to grab this one. Yeah, so this is a profile section. Like once I'll click on that one, I can add my contact number if it's not there. If I want to change color themes or any amendments I want to make on my platform, I can customize it. In this place, I can add the amount of the trade which I want to invest. Plus minus is used to amend that in amount, and I can also do it manually. Then this is a time button. Like if I want to take a trade for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I can click on that one. I can do it manually. I can click it from here also. I can take a couple of quick trades, timer, and then I can execute on the basis of clock. This is one of my favorite button. This is for the risk-free trades. Okay, so as we can see that this risk-free trade, like this is currently this is available for the expert level holder. Once you will reach on the expert level holder, you will be getting a couple of risk-free trades which will help you to recover your funds. So like the best use of that, like in case if your trade is going into a negative side, and if you have applied your RFT on that one, risk-free trade on that one, so you will be getting the amount refund even though your trade is in the negative side. This clock button is to execute a future trade on the basis of the course or on the basis of the time. Up and down button is to execute the trade, whether you want to take a trade in upward direction, downward direction, and this small piece of information is stating that if I'll take a trade on this asset with $10, after getting a successful result, I'll be getting a profit of $8.5. And this small bar, which I forgot to mention, this is a trader's way, so it is showing all the information about that, what is your current status and in which direction you are going. So as I can see that once I'll click on that one, I can see I am on a step 3. At step 3 I am going to get a risk free trade, so I can keep on check all the steps here. Okay, so guys, let's see our last 2 trades how was the result. So I can see that both the trades were positive and we managed to make a good profit. Like we can see that there were 2 trades which went into the negative side and we able to recover that, and there is one more trade which went into the positive side. So if we'll see like how it went, so even though we have opened a trade for 4 minutes, there was a possibility to go in a positive side. So guys, as you can already see that, I'll just show you one thing. See, so if I show you my all trade results, so here you can see one thing, that the majority of trades from the morning itself I have opened for 2 minutes, but now I have made some changes in my strategy, because as I have mentioned that most of the time I feel that there is more fluctuation into the market at like when the US market is open. So most of the time I am avoiding trading during like this 20-30 minutes, or if I am taking a couple of trades, I am always taking with some precaution. There is a signal, so boom, less. So there is a possibility that there might be some more fluctuation, then so you might need to make some amendments. So you can do one thing, either you can take a couple of trades with small amount to consider it, or you can do one more, you can take couple of trades on demo account to check whether the same strategy is working fine or not, whether some amendments are required or not. So guys, please make sure if you are finding any difficulties, comment section is open for you guys. Please feel free to write anything, all your concerns, I will take care of all of them. So I will just take a couple of more comments, and I can see that like there is no much noise in the comment section. So guys, make some noise, write something, tell me like what's going on in your mind, how the strategy is working for you, whether you are able to understand it or not, like whether you are getting my points. Just, or do me a favor, just rate my strategy from 1 to 5, where 1 is the worst and 5 is the best one. So just try to give me some information whether it is going in a direction where we want to take it, or we are just roaming here and there. So I will just a couple of comments, but I can see that there is no such activity in the comment section. So guys, let me know how things are going on. So as I can see the last comment, so Al Hadid mentioned that best platform trading. I am glad to know that, sir, you are liking our platform, and I am more than happy, and we will try our best that it will remain same. So Satyanand ji is saying, check your trade you put, sir. Sir, as we have already checked, a couple of trades went into the positive side, a couple of into the negative side. RA status is saying hi sir. Satyanand ji is saying put history. Sir, you want to check my history? Please confirm. Rajat Rana is again saying that there is some issue with my voice volume. So guys, I am trying to, I have made it maximum. I'm not sure like whether there is some issue with my device. I think I need to change it. Okay, so Mr. Vincent gave me rating 4 out of 5. Thank you so much, sir. I'm happy to know that you are liking this strategy, but let me know also that where I have lacked this 1 point, so I can cover that thing also, because I know that there might be some doubts in your mind, there might be some issues like which we need to work on. So feel free to write something. Rajat Rana is saying, sir, I am trading on demo mode. My deposit worth INR 21,000 are on pending status. So Rajat ji, please feel free to contact support team, and they will help you with your deposit. And if you are like Indian user, so you can write it to support-hi@olymptrade.com. They will look into it for you. So Tony is saying crypto composite. I believe he's mentioning that there is some signal on crypto composite. Oh shit, we missed it, Tony, but no worries, we will try to grab some more. But as I can see that traders are reverting me that they are getting some signal, so I hope that they are getting my point also, that how this strategy is working, and I am happy to know that. Guys, make some noise, tell me where all the signals are, so we can take a couple of more trades and we can make some profits together. So write in the comment section if you are finding any signals on any of the asset, and I will take some trades, and let's we will see together that whether it is going into a positive side or into a negative side. So there is an opportunity for you guys to find it, whether it is working fine for or not. Without investing any amount, there is an opportunity that you can check how that strategy is working for you or not. So feel free to write in the comment section. So Rajat ji also gave me 4 out of 5. I'm happy to know that. Shivanand ji saying Hindi में explain किया तो अच्छा रहता. Shivanand ji, I'm so sorry for that. Like I am not able to explain in Hindi, but we have a channel where we are having all the communication in Hindi. That is with the name of Olymp Trade India. This is a Olymp Trade global channel, so all the communication in the English, but on Olymp Trade India we are having all the communication in Hindi. So and we are also discussing the same strategy over there also. I believe yesterday one of my colleagues, she took the session on the same strategy. I'm sure that was also on Friday, about Friday. So you can watch her video, and I'm sure you will be getting ample of information. Okay, and Ashutosh is asking how to grow small accounts. I made there 200 USD on cryptos. Sorry, you missed it. No worries, Tony ji. I'm happy to know that you managed to make 200 USD. I'm more than happy, and you also gave me 4.5. So thank you so much for that. I'm happy that you understood the strategy. You got my point, and you made a couple of extra bucks. So I'm happy to know that. And this is the main focus we people are doing, guys, that we are conducting these webinars, these sessions. These are just to help you guys, because we are like a family. If you have connected to us, if you have downloaded our platform, somewhere you are the part of our family. So we want you to make some extra bucks. We want you to take couple of trades which are helping you to make some profits, and that is the reason every now and then we are conducting webinars. We are also conducting Zoom sessions. So I will give some information about Zoom session also. Those who are on expert level or on advanced level, they might be having their analyst, but those who are new to the platform and those who are not aware about that one, I'll give you a small information about that one. So guys, we are giving a service, and as per that we are conducting some Zoom sessions. These Zoom sessions are for 25 to 30 minutes, and during these sessions we are going to give you a personal analyst. He is going to talk to you personally. Only you and your analyst is going to be available in that specific session, and during the session they will guide you with each of your query, like what should be the trade time frame, how the strategies are working, how economic calendar works, how the things are going on into the market, when how you can make profits. Everything they are going to guide you. And I'll confirm one thing, that this service is going to be free of cost. You do not need to pay even a single penny ever to anyone. So those who have already got this opportunity, those who already got one analyst, I'm sure that they are making some fruitful results. But those who are not able to get that one, so guys, make sure that your contact number is updated on the platform. So once you will reach on the expert level or a specific level, we will be able to give you a call. And those who are already on the expert level but haven't updated their contact number or about to update their contact number, and in case they have missed the call from our end, they can do one thing: just drop a message or drop an email to the support team by stating that you need some guidance with your trading journey. So please raise a callback request. Once you will mention word trading, so that request will come to my department. So I have a team of analysts, so we will get in touch with you, we will line up something for you, and we will help you with your trading journey. And as of now, this service is available only for the advanced users and expert level users. So try to take a benefit out of that, and try to make some good numbers on our platform. Okay, so I'll see that there are some more comments. So Rajat Rana is saying, sir, please do quicker. It's right. It's high risk, high excitement. Yes, Rajat, I know that on Quickler there is high risk, but there is, it's very spicy. It's very full of excitement. But there are a couple of things like which I always focus till the time you are new into the trading, or you are trying to learn a few more new things. Always try to go for some longer time duration trades, because the longer the duration, the lesser the risk is there. And I always believe in risk management and money management. You might can see that I have a handsome amount in my account, like I have some backup also, but still you can see that my trade amount is only $10. I have increased it to $30. The reason behind that, I always focus on my risk management also. I always try to go slowly, because I take the trading as a marathon, not as a sprint, and I suggest all my traders to go in the same direction. Always try to go slowly and gradually, so you will be able to take couple of extra trades. I'll just give you clarify it with an example. Like, just suppose like you have $100 in your account, so there are two possibilities. Either you can take one trade of $100, or you can take 10 trade, $10 each. Now just suppose at the very next moment when you took the trade, so there is some fluctuation into the market, which was supposed to be live for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, or make it hardly make it 5 minutes only. Let's make it for 5 minutes. And the one trade which you have taken for $100 that went into the negative side, now your P&L is zero, like your account balance is zero. On the other hand, you took 10 trades, one trade $10 each. One by one you took those 10 trades. After 5 minutes the market is a bit more stable, or just make it out of those 10 trades hardly 2 trades were into the positive side. So the picture of your P&L is just suppose it is that was with the profitability of 80% only. So the picture of your P&L is showing $20 the amount which you invested, and $16 which you have made as a profit. So total $36 is there, and I believe that having $36 is far better having zero, and that will help you to take a couple of more trades. And just suppose after that the market is getting stable, so you will be able to sustain into the market for a more longer, and you will be able to make more trades. Because I believe that it's not only about take a trade and make some profits, it's always about take a trade at a right time and make some profit. And to take a trade at a right time, there is one thing which is most important, which is essential, which has to be there in your account, that is funds. Most of the traders, they are keep on saying that no worries sir, once the opportunity will be there, we will make a new deposit. That is the reason that I have a problem with that statement. I always suggest my traders that rather than making deposits again and again, make a one deposit and use it again and again. And that doesn't mean that you have to make a big deposit. That doesn't matter whether you are making a deposit of 1000 INR or 5000 INR. Always come up with a target, always come up with a stop loss, and then try to do some trading. So we will take a couple of more trades. Okay, so there is a signal. We are a little bit late, but let's do some action and make some money. Guys, keep writing into the comment section. I like, even though I will miss those signals, but I will be sure that you have got all my points. You are getting the trick that how to make some profit. So feel free to write. Okay, so here is a signal which is about to form, but there is a market is a bit dicey. And guys, one more suggestion: whenever you are going to place a trade, try to zoom out this graph and try to check a couple of candles in the backward direction. That will help you to see whether there is a consolidation going into the market or whether the market is into a specific trend. I'll just make it a bit more easy, that whether the market is flat or whether there is a trend, because there is a old saying into the market that trend is your friend. So always hold the hand of your friend and make some profits. So as we can see that at this part there was a consolidation, that the flat market was there, green, red, red, green, green, red, green, green, but here we can see there was a proper trend. Here also we can see a trend. So always try to take trades in when there is a trending market. Doesn't matter whether it is a bearish or a bullish, but there should be a specific trend going into the market. And this trade is going into the positive direction, so we are about to make some extra bucks again. And one more information, guys, for those who are new on the platform, and in fact, like my old traders, my old friends are also can use this piece of information. As I have mentioned once, two websites, one is yahoofinance.com and the second one is investing.com. So there is one more website which I can suggest, that is Investopedia. Investopedia is a site where you can find all the basic information regarding trading, that how the candle formation is working or the price action. So different topics, everything is fully explained over there, till the time you are not getting an analyst. So you can take a couple of information from there to make some improvement in your trading. And if I'll talk about the price action, once you will be able to learn that one, try to utilize it on your demo account first, and you can make a couple of trades on indexes also, because I found that most of the time, like the price index, the price action, that works very smoothly on the indexes. But guys, there is a possibility that you might not find the same results. So whatever the strategies you are learning from any source, always try to practice on your demo first, because I have find some of the traders, those who are saying that, sir, that specific strategy was not good, I was not able to make some profits because it didn't give me such results which you were making on the platform, or so and so. And sometime what I am finding the reason, like what they have done, they have taken hardly 10 to 20 trades and directly on live account, and then they make a confirmation that that specific strategy is not working fine. Guys, see, for every strategy you have to spend some time, you have to practice on demo account, at least open 100 to 150 trades, so that you can get a best out of it, you can get a hold out of it. There is a possibility that few of my friends, those who will be using the same strategy, a few of our analysts, they are focusing on EMA 13 while making some trades, or they might be trying to utilize this strategy in some another ways. Like it's like a warrior, like it's like a sword in hand of a warrior, like everybody is using in their own way, but at the end of the day, the main focus, we have to win the battle. So here we have to make some profits. So always practice and practice to make sure that you have a hold on your sword and you are a true warrior. And once you are having a great hold on your strategy, then try to get a hold on your risk management and money management. Because I always there is a example like which I am always giving to my traders, that your investment amount, your deposit is like your car. Doesn't matter like whether you have a BMW, you have a Mercedes Benz, or the small one, which mean to say that doesn't matter whether you are going to invest $10, $1,000 or $10,000. Your strategies are going to work as the engine oil or the servicing of the car. Like whether you are not able to have a great hold on that one, still your car is working. But your risk management and your money management is the true fuel for the same. By this I mean to say that if your risk management is not good, I mean to say if you don't have fuel in your car, doesn't matter like what's the model of the car, what are the features in that one, when you have recently whether you have recently serviced the same or not. If your money management is not good, that is not going to take you anywhere. So always focus on these things, always try to go slowly, make some targets and then try to move towards them. I will check what's the result of last trade. So I can see that we are doing great. One of the trade that was on no profit no loss, so let's see how we could do it better. Okay, so we have opened our position at this level. If we would have opened it for 4 minutes, that was supposed to be a successful trade, but no worries. And what about this one? That was a successful trade. Okay, this one is going into the negative side, but no worries, we have made up handsome amount, so we can bear it. Okay, so I will take a couple of more comments. Okay, so guys, if I'll miss any of the comments, I'm so sorry for that, because like sometime when I'm refreshing my screen, so that is some of the comments are in the upward direction. Okay, so Rahulji is asking, Mr. Vincent mentioned commodity is going up, but I am so sorry I have missed it, but no worries, I am sure that you got the opportunity, you understood that one, so I am happy to know that. So Rahulji is saying, sir, how to control our emotions? Rahulji, always try to take trade with your profit only. I'll explain how what I am talking about. Just suppose I have made a deposit of $100, now I have made it 150. Now what I will focus on, the majority of trades I will take with the profit of $50 only. It doesn't mean that I will take a trade of $50. Now what I will do, I will take a couple of trades, like 3 or 4 trades in that manner. If all those trades are going into the negative side, still I will be able to cover that within my profit itself, which I mean to say that if I'll take the trade with $5 each or $1 each, I will be able to take either 10 trades or 50 trades. Why I am saying you that thing? So the major of pressure we are getting when we are taking trades with our deposit and our deposit is going into the negative side. But when we are taking the trades only with the profit, so still we can justify ourselves that even though we are not going into a positive side, but still that is not affecting and that is not taking us into a negative direction, which means to say that nothing is going out of my pocket. My $100 is safe. I am taking trades with the profit itself. And when you will start applying this strategy, this mindset, that will help you to work on your stop loss. That will also help you to avoid over trading, because which is one of the major reason when traders are getting some negative results. And always work on your stop loss. Just suppose if you have turn $100 into 150, then make a stop loss of $30. If you will go less than $30, you will stop trading for the day. Just suppose you have reached 150, now you are going downward in the downward direction, you have touched 120, stop trading for the day, come back next day. So in this way your $100 is safe, you have a profit of $20. On the very next day again come with a target, whether you want to make 50, 60, 70, hit that one, then start growing it gradually. Once you will be able to hit that one, again keep on moving it into the upward direction. I mean to say that just suppose your target is $70, you hit it, make it 75, again you hit it, make it $80, you hit it, again make it 85. But on the other hand, just suppose your stop loss was 30, so from 70 when you were trying to travel to 75 and you started coming into the downward direction, stop at $40. So in this way, doesn't matter whether you are going to how many trades you are going to take. If you have managed to make some profit in your first half, doesn't matter how many trades you are taking and how long you are keep on trading in a single day, you will always close your day with some profit. Either it is a small one or bigger one, but you have to focus on your stop loss and you have to stick to that. So Rajat is saying, I am on expert level. I got amazing guidance yesterday. Rajat, I am happy to know that you are getting that opportunity. I am sure that you have the analyst, and I hope that you try to take the benefit of that Fed interest rate and the information which was supposed to float into the market today morning. That was the Bank of Japan interest rate. Okay, so Laima ji is saying hello sir from Bangladesh. Hello Laima ji, I'm happy to know that like traders from all across globe, like they are joining our session and we are able to help you. So Rajaji is saying thank you so much for the advices. I'm happy to know that sir. My pleasure. Ayush Verma ji again saying sir, please speak in Hindi. Ayush ji, a piece of information that we are conducting sessions in Hindi also, but on our another channel which is Olymp Trade India, and we are conducting webinars over there also. All the communication is in Hindi, so please feel free to join that. Rahul ji is saying that my family members always say you have no emotions, but I am doing trade, then I have very emotion. Why? Guys, Rahul ji, I believe that you are trying to say that you need some help with your trading psychology, so always focus on that thing. Like whenever you are making some negative results, that is always affecting your trading psychology, so try to get a hold on that one. That different techniques, like different information, like which we are floating into the market, like we are sharing during these type of sessions. So trying to join as much as possible, because there is not much time available, so I'm not sure that whether I will be able to cover that one. Okay, so Junior David ji, David said hello sir, anybody can explain to me this. Junior David ji, I believe that you have joined a bit late, so you can do one thing, just drag the cursor back and start the strategy again. I'm sure that you will be able to get some information, but if you have missed it, or like if you will be having some doubts, feel free to join our next session also. Okay, so Mr. Vincent is saying when we trade up, it starts to go down. Before that, market would be stable. Who control the market, sir? Like these codes are coming from the international market. Prime brokers, they are giving that information. So it's not like that the market is going into the opposite direction. When you are taking a specific trade, try to grab that information that there is a possibility that there is a market reversal which has to be done at that specific time. So there are different indicators which you can use, like RSI is there, stochastic is there, so you can use them also. Tony ji is also again saying crypto is uptrending. Tony ji, I believe I am a bit late, so I might have already missed it, but I'm happy that you are getting all the points and you are trying to get those signals also, so I am happy to know that. Shri, how to find fundamental analysis, sir? Like for this one, like you have to search multiple on multiple sites, like there are multiple sites where you can find all the fundamentals information about the specific asset you want to trade on. So I'm not sure like I'll be able to cover that much, but I will try to cover in the further sections. If you will be there, please try to join that also, and if you will be there, then please remind me. We will talk about that one. So guys, as I can see that our last trade is going on. 2 trades are in place. 1 trade went into the negative side. We will check the specific trade, how it went into the negative. Okay, so there was a market reversal. So guys, as you can see that we are also facing the same things, like sometimes there are market reversal into the market, so we have to take care of that thing, but with the help of money management and risk management, you will be able to make some profits. So guys, I hope you like this video, you like this session, you were able to get some information which was useful for you. So I wish you a great day and successful trading ahead. This side your financial expert Kunal Kapoor. Hope to see you soon again in the upcoming sessions, and we will try to help you with some new strategies. So thank you so much again for joining the session. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. Bye bye.